It's the GALLY, and this is a special video. I haven't done any unboxings for quite some time now, at least not at home. And so today I'm going to be unboxing BBC 20 OG heavyweight hoodie with Swarovski crystals. And so this was kind of my version of going out with a bang, glowed up. It's the cherry on top. Swarovski. Got some stickers, it looks like. Pretty nice, very heavyweight. So, this features 982 genuine Swarovski multicolor crystals. It's made with 480 GSM cotton, and it's made in Canada, which is where I'm from. I'm from Vancouver, BC. So this marks the close of its 20th year anniversary with this exclusive special edition BBC 20 anniversary capsule. Let's take a look at the tag here. They have the OG flag tag. This is pretty cool. There's the double X. I got size medium since I've lost a lot of weight. And I won kind of a snug fit for to be able to layer this under my larger jackets. So let's try her on. Also has the double X on the back here. Nice. Put on my hat. Got this hat from Miami, Wynwood Walls. This is gonna be a nice fit tomorrow to wear to lunch, and then I'm getting a tattoo. It's gonna be a very packed day tomorrow. And as happy as I am with the clothes, I am done with the brand. It's dead. Mainly because of the terrible customer service. They're really nice in person in the actual flagship stores, but you know what? Their online policies and their online customer service is abhorrent. It's whack. So this is the last thing I'm ever buying from BBC. I'm done covering the brand. There's nothing more to say except I'll be still doing unboxings of other brands like Arc'teryx, Human Made, whatever I feel like, really. Maybe some cool thrift finds, some customs. I think that's all there is to say, really. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll be uploading more soon.